If you've got Vernier, like the Lab Pro and motion detector here, you can really do a lot with Science 1206 motion unit. I'm going to just show you how to briefly set up the inclined plane lab here, but just watch this setup of this device and how simple it is. I've got a special video with Screencastify videos that shows how to set up these different cords, but here we go. Here comes the happy sound. This means that your Lab Pro is ready to go. So you got to get your Logger Lite software set up and running on your computer before you actually plug your Lab Pro into the USB cord that goes to the computer. So there's a separate video for that I can show you again. So when you're set up and running, you plug in, and then if you look at the screen, automatically you'll see that it pops up and it shows you a screen where you can start to collect some distance time data. So let's run something down the ramp, and you can hear the sound when I click the button. You can hear the sound of the motion detector, and then I let the device go. So then we start to get some data, and if we look at this data, we can see that we've got some distance time data and some velocity time data. And this is the distance time graph right here, and you can see there's a little bit of chatter at the beginning and the end, but in the middle there's this lovely acceleration curve on a distance time graph. There's another look at one there, and you can do all kinds of evidence-based labs with this particular sets of data here. All right. Now this is just some examples of types of motion that I've included in a document that I'm going to give you. That's constant motion to the right, and here's accelerated motion to the left. The top graph is the distance time graph, the bottom graph is the velocity time graph. This is movement towards the point of origin, stopping, and then accelerating away from the point of origin. So there's loads of other options you can have, like this temperature probe, pH probe. There's so many different activities you can do in Science 1206 and other subjects. Here's a force sensor for 2204 or 3204 physics, barometer for weather. So there's a lot of possibilities. I'd really like to support these possibilities with you. So if you want more information, just contact me at the email address there. Thanks.